Hi guys, it's Nick and 152, and today we are going to be playing, we have a special guest. Her name is Sophia, and we're going to be playing Shopkins Going Camping. So I hope you like this. Piano Man, where are you?
I'm here.
Oh, there you are. Did you hear the news? 8 Shopkins are going to be asked to go camping with 3 popular Shopkins. Guys, it's nighttime. Let's go to bed. Guys, where are you? Everybody must have fallen asleep. I guess so. Before I go to bed, I will have some food. 'Cause I'm starving. Let's see, some milk, ice cream, more ice cream, a peach, watermelon, fish, or hot cocoa. Or some pie. Wow, there's tons of food and I cannot pick. And a Sunday? Who can do this?
And a marshmallow.
A marshmallow? What? No, this is unreal. Too many sweets. Too many sweets. Let's play some piano. Ding a ling a ling a ling a ling a ling.
Hello.
What? Who's that?
I'm the same as you.
Who are you? Who are you?
I'm the same as you. Who are you?
I'm you. I guess. This is unreal. I have to get to bed. What? There's more food! And they have faces! That can't be true. See, like this marshmallow and the pecan pie, and some sundae, some milk, hot cocoa. It's just, I wish I could just go to bed.
And that morning there was more food.
Okay, it's morning. I hope that rainbow bite doesn't come with here. Stop. And I hope there's no plants because I'm allergic to a chew. A plant, a chew. A plant, a chew. A plant, a chew. Okay, I'm gonna look behind me and there's gonna be no rainbow. There. And there's even more Sundays? Nuh-uh, that can't be. Hello, good morning, everyone. Okay, first joke. Is any Shopkin here from out of town? Microphone? Everybody lives here, so I don't think how anyone can be out of town. Okay, that was not I guess that was not going to be a good joke because someone spoiled it, Lynn Lamp. Okay, let me go there. How about we sing? Let's start off with like do re mi that stuff. Do re mi fa sol la ti do ti la sol fa mi re do. How is that? Woo! Rainbow Bite, why did you do that? It wasn't me, it was the duplicate. He pushed me on the stage. The duplicate? What duplicate? The duplicate of me. Someone Last night, snuck into her house that looks just like me. And this morning, he was behind me at the breakfast table. And now all the food was staring at me and talking to me. And I just can't stand it. Someone call 911. He passed out. Hurry. 911, 911. Police. Oh no.
They both did.
There's a duplicate of my friend Rainbow Bite, and they both fainted. And for no reason. I think there's something wrong, and you need to come here quick. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Wow, they're already here. Hello, my name is Defa, the officer, and tell me where the Rainbow Bite is.
Up here, up here.
Okay, so he's up there. Oh, and there's two of them?
Yep.
How is there two?
I don't know.
Did you have this person before?
No, I didn't know at all. She just passed out. I just came up here and they passed out.
So let's get some water from the sink and maybe they will wake up. So how about that? This cheese full of water, and so we're gonna bring this over there. Let's pour it. Whoa! What happened? I'm leaving. This is instant. What? You can't leave. I am, though. What are we gonna do? So, is there anyone out here from out of town? No! So, what's going on?
There's probably a water explosion that happened because it's really slippery on the floor.
See what I mean?
And everyone's about to slip and fall and pass out, and then I'll be the only one on the floor to help everyone.
Can you stop, please? Sarah Softener?
Okay. I'll go help everyone. Get up.
In the meantime, I will have a Sunday like a normal person. What Sunday do I choose? The red one or the white one? Drink me. Drink me. Drink me. Eat me. Eat me. Eat me. Eat me. I don't know what to choose. How about I just eat you both? I don't want you to eat me. I am a precious Sunday. Well. I see a banana split. You mean slip? Oh, okay. I thought it was going to be funny, but you just ruined it. My skateboard like a girl that is awesome. A skateboard. Whoa! Did I just hit you or something? Well, I don't know because I'm a cake and cakes don't really have minds. How about I just sit down? I can't stop talking. Oh, I want a hat. Oh yeah. Ooh, that one just fell off of me.
Stop!
I would leave. That girl had too many sugar. Okay, so we found this penny. A penny? A penny!
What's a penny?
A penny is a object.
What's an object?
An object is a thing.
What's a thing?
A thing is something that is not invisible. No. That is not air. No. That I don't know what an object is. I can't describe it. But like an object, a thing, or whatever we're talking about, I don't know. Okay. So a penny is a thing that you can buy one thing, like at the small Shopkins small mart, because everything there is 1 cent, and a penny is 1 cent. So do you get that, or
Yes.
do I need to get a doctor to help? So can I have a sandwich or not? Because I'm hungry. How about a burger? You want a burger? Well, Lizzie Lace Up, I thought you were nice. I am nice. No, but you just said, eat this.
Yeah, it's yummy.
It is? I never had a burger before.
Yeah, but they're so good. I wish I could have it, but I would rather let you have it.
I don't like burgers. They taste bad.
You haven't even tried it yet.
But
sure
I'll
you'll
take
like
one bite, and if I don't like it, I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Ew! Here, Lizzie Lace Up.
You like it? They're yummy.
They have seeds on them.
They taste so good. That's what burgers look like.
I don't like burgers. Ah! There's a big thing. Ah! There's a big, like, there it is again. Ah! It's touching us. Ah! It's touching. Ah! It's grabbing us. Ah! What is this horrible thing? What?
I know this. It's a monster, I think.
It's grabbing people. Woo!
Stop questioning.
Scary. It's taking us again. But it's like putting us back up. Is this a nice creature or is it mean?
I'm the good creature. He's the bad creature.
Hey!
It's true. It's not a dream. Because they're talking dreams. And they say no.
No.
So this isn't a dream. This is real.
How about I sing for you? Microphone, that's not a time for singing.
It's a time for talking.
But it's always good to sing.
I know, but it's not the time right now. There are special times.
But what about all that food? Who's gonna eat it?
There are people.
I mean, like, how fast are we gonna eat it?
There are people, I said. There's this food.
But how fast are we gonna eat the food?
We could eat it slow.
But I don't want to.
We'll just shove it on.
It's getting really dark. I can't see anything. Oh, it's getting super dark. It's getting better.
Listen,
No, it's
everyone.
Not. No, it's not.
Listen, everyone. We can all read books, or until it's bedtime.
But what if we can't find books? We need a lantern or something.
I'm a lantern, but I get to read.
You're a lamp.
Oh.
No,
Sorry.
lantern. Bum bum ba da 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 dun 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 da da dun. Wow! Did you just see that?
What happened?
It's getting lighter. lighter. It's getting lighter. Woo! Dance party, dance party, dance party. Dance party, dance party, dance party. Dance party.
Everyone, listen. Just stop. Okay, let's just stop the music. Can anyone see? Is anyone playing music? Because let's stop the music and go to bed because it's really dark right now.
What? How dark it is?
Look outside.
Wow, that's super duper dark. Can you see that? It's like almost pitch black.
But what about us? It might be a dust storm, and where are we all gonna sleep?
We can just stay in here. It's fine. People can
It's
stand,
not.
sleep. People can sit, sleep. People can lay down on the floor, sleep.
But that's not comfortable.
Then let's try to fit everyone in. Let's do that. And some shopping carts that we can use.
To go shop for beds?
What? No. To have a bed for people. Oh. More people are coming in, like Beverly Hills, Chalky Croissant, Bun Bun Slipper. What? Why people more coming in? We need less people.
No, we want to all stand here. It's nice and warm.
Why were you outside?
I don't know.
Everyone just lay down. It's going to be fine. It's nice and toasty. We have
Or lay on
carpeting.
tables.
No.
Why?
Because, no. So, yeah. So, let's just lay down, everyone. No, let's not go to beds. Let's just lay down. Lay down.
I want something comfortable. Yeah, we want something.
Isn't that good enough? Sleeping on the carpeted floor?
Yeah, that's better than beds.
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
the floor's really comfortable, guys.
Then why are people going to beds?
Yeah, it's so comfortable right here. No, I think it's much comfortable in beds. Then we would need more beds to sleep in beds.
Yeah.
But I would rather sleep on the floor.
Bun Bun Slipper, don't tip over that popcorn or a popcorn pop can or it'll fizz up. Whoa, popcorn! I meant not popcorn. Ah! Everything's going everywhere. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, look, it's freezing from outside. Look, the chimney. The chimney. Wait, we don't have a chimney. So how is it so freezing? The door's open. No!
Hurry, shut it! It's so cold!
Okay, I guess it's better, but the door's closed. Are the windows closed?
No! Because it's cold!
Okay, I'll close it. What about the upstairs door?
Hold on, shut that. Please.
What about the upstairs windows?
Shut it, please. I don't like coldness. Me either.
What about the freezer?
Shut it.
But we can't shut it or else our food will be spoiled. Well, look, guys, raise your hand. Wait, say yes if it's going to be spoiled. Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, it's gonna be spoiled because of you guys just saying, let's close it. Because you guys are so cold, but no one else is. How can you still be cold? You should put on blankets then.
Yeah, we are in blankets.
Then you could you could get your face in blankets, and that's what's wrong.
Okay, guys. This video is gonna be to be continued. I hope you guys like this video. Remember to comment, like,
And subscribe.
bye.
See you in our next video. Bye-bye.